For this problem, to begin, I need to note that this is only true for memoryless variables. I'm assuming that that is something that would be, memoryless random variables. I'm assuming that that's something that's given just by the context that wasn't included in how the question was uploaded. So, under the assumption that our random variable is memoryless, that tells us that the probability that x is greater than t naught plus a, given that x is greater than t naught, is equal to the probability that x is greater than a. So, if we're looking for a probability that x is greater than s plus t,